Boom!
Oh! Benny! Benny, you've been making that sound. You have the hiccups.
Oh, yeah. I've been trying to get rid of my hiccups, but they just won't go away.
We can help you, Benny. My mommy told me a way to get rid of hiccups. All you have to do is count to 10 in a really loud voice, and your hiccups will go away.
But I don't know how to count all the way up to 10.
Boom!
Oh! I'll never get rid of my hiccups.
Don't worry, Benny. We can use our fingers to help you count to 10. I need your help. Let's count to 10 on our fingers to help Benny get rid of his hiccups. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,